Hello, my fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie. We just left Sam's Club. My kids start school next week. For the first time ever, all three of them are in school. We have 7th grader, 5th grader, kindergartner, and with our school, they take a snack every single day. So we picked them out together. I'm gonna share with you what we got. We spent $101.02. Let's get some snacks. Oh, she has it. Right down here else.
Can't get it through the car.
Pizza. You got a drink? Yeah. Okay, first we got Rice Crisps. These have 4 flavors: caramel, cheddar, buttermilk ranch, and apple cinnamon. Next we got the Flavor Blast and colored goldfish. 45 bags, 2 flavors. My kids picked to get the snapped Cheez-Its rather than the white cheddar. There's sour cream and onion and double cheese. 42 bags. 42 bags of Gardettos. If I were a betting woman, I would think these are gonna go fast. 30 pack of pop chips. There's sea salt, barbecue, and sour cream and onion. I think my son will like these the best. Belvita snack packs. I've never seen these before. 36 pack chocolate, brown sugar, cinnamon, and blueberry. And finally, Old Faithful 45 pack of Cheez-Its. Back to school snack run. So if you're wondering, the way we do this is I put all of the snacks together, all 276 bags. I think that's what the math came out to be. And what's left at the end, if we're left with all goldfish at the end, they eat all goldfish at the end. So kind of prioritizing what snack you pick, trying to pick varieties. It's up to them to kind of ration it out. And then when we're empty, we'll come do this again. So I figured I added up all of the pouches. We have about 276, which divided by 3 is about 90 days, school days worth of snacks. And that's about 37 cents per kid per day. And for the convenience and having fresh snacks and not washing bags, I know it's not the most environmentally friendly choice, but it's what we choose to do. So this is obviously a once in a while haul from Sam's Club. If you're interested in seeing packed lunch ideas that I made last year right before school started, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.